International prophecy fulfilled. 7.1 magnitude earthquake devastates China. 126 lives lost as Prophet Israel Zion's warning comes true.
Also, earthquakes hit Turkey again. It is a massive one, like over 6 on the Richter scale. I also saw not only Turkey, China, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Spain, Portugal, Italy. Italy's zone is also trying to be accompanied with tsunami. And also Morocco and Portugal. Let's pray against earthquakes. All these countries, earthquakes, massive earthquakes.
Rescue workers in Tibet are working round the clock to search for survivors after a major earthquake killed at least 126 people. The magnitude 7.1 quake struck at around 9 a.m. local time on Tuesday. The impact was felt across the Shigatse region of Tibet, although tremors were also felt in Nepal and parts of India. A large-scale rescue operation has been launched with survivors under additional pressure.
I also saw not only Turkey, China, Indonesia. It is a massive one, like over 6 on the Richter scale.